have my concoction started. Not boiling yet, just started. I used some old sugar that had caked up and some milk that had separated after I froze it. I've never had that happen before, and I always freeze milk. There's my timer right there. Sort of a unique one. Pretty old, but it still works. All right, so we'll take a break while we're waiting for boiling. It's getting there. Okay, I'm stirring continuously, and I'm almost boiling. It's been about 2.5, 3 minutes. Got my cold water ready to go. Got me a spoon. Hold on. Where's my spoon? Oh, right here. Right next to my cold water. So I can get a drop of chocolate put in here. Actually, I have some Hershey bars I could melt in here too. Okay, we'll take a break. Okay, we're about 5 minutes. So let's see what we got here. Watery goop. Well, it just dissolves in the water, so there's nothing happening yet. Okay. 5 minutes out. Not thick enough yet. We are now at 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And we're dissolving in the water still. I'm at 13 minutes. And I've increased the heat a little bit because maybe I never really boiled it. So I'm at 13 minutes. And I can tell it's starting to thicken up a little bit, but it's still pretty watery. What happens now if I test it? Well, it dissolved in the water. Once I get enough chocolate in the water, maybe it'll thicken up. When we make fudge, it thickens up real fast. Maybe that's because of all the marshmallows in it. Maybe I need to add marshmallows. Hey, that's a good idea. Well, I had to add a little more andesitic chocolate. We're at 18 minutes, and I have a feeling that my sugar was from Hawaii, so it's probably going to make a shield volcano. Too much silica. We do live on sandy soils around here after all. Well, it's thickening up some. Well, it's getting thicker now. Getting thicker now. I should have used evaporated goat's milk. It really makes pumpkin pie fluffy. And it would have been interesting to do it with this. It could have been quite a bit thicker. With goat's milk. Let's see what we have now. How many minutes are we? I don't know. Ah, we're starting to get a stringies. Let me taste it and see if it's any good. Explosive flavor. Here we are. Oh, it's really getting thick now. Now it's getting thick. How many minutes are we? Ask grandfather. What did he say? 32, 21 minutes. 21 minutes. I have a feeling we might be ready. check it out. Yep. The drops are remaining intact and floating to the bottom. You can see them down there. Okay, we're ready. Turn it off. How many minutes are we? We are at 22 minutes. 22 minutes. My ingredients weren't exactly as prescribed because I had unhomogenized milk. My chocolate was Swiss Miss, so I added some extra. And my sugar was from Walmart, so we don't know where that came from. It could have been andesitic sugar, or it could have been silicaceous sugar. At any rate, there's my chocolate sauce. I'll let it cool and figure out what to do with it later.